The Philadelphia Eagles are going back to the Super Bowl.
E-A-G-L-E-S. Eagles, Eagles, Eagles. Yeah! Yes! Eagles fans, how does it feel to beat down the big badass 49ers? We going to the Super Bowl. Woo! Now, you and I both know that game was fixed. All those missed calls, those sucker-ass referees missed, but they ain't missed no calls on the 49ers. 11 penalties to 4, that's some horse shit. Surprise, surprise, I knew your ass was gonna be bitching about the rest. It ain't had nothing to do with Haason Reddick knocking out 2 quarterbacks. It ain't had nothing to do with the 3 turnovers we forced. It ain't had nothing to do with the 4 touchdowns we got on the ground. I just got one thing to say to you. Fuck out of here. Yeah, y'all did all that, but it would have been a different game if the quarterbacks didn't get injured. Plus all those penalties, man, it changed the momentum of the game. Sometimes the penalties stopped 49er drives, and other times the penalties kept Eagle drives alive. Changed the whole momentum of the game. Whatever, man. All I know is our O-line outplayed their D-line. We won the game and we won the fight. What? Yo, punk-ass bull got body slammed. That might be so, but we going to the show, the Super Bowl. Woo! Cheating ass cheaters.